Hello everyone. Welcome back to mine. Kebaran Kelas. Today we are going to learn a very easy and important topic. Present continuous tense. Don't worry. Today I will explain everything in a simple and easy way. So watch the video carefully till the end. So let's start. What is the present continuous tense? Present continuous tense is used for an action that is happening right now or the present now or at the present now. Structure subject plus measure plus verb plus ing. Now let's see some easy example. I am ready. A book is she is cooking now. Cooking now. They are playing football. We are watching the TV. These actions are happening now. So we use present continuous easy tricks. If your is going on is going with the brush now. Use present continuous continuous. That's all for today.